Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, a black EP3, and this morning Richard has fitted this Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system and mated it to an original cat and an original manifold. All looking very nice in there. Next up is to get it on the dyno and plug in with a K100 ECU. You know Richard loves those. His favourite. And then we'll map her and make sure she's safe and get the customer on his way. But for now, let's get her up on the dyno and see what we can make. Well, she's up on the dyno and she's strapped. We actually seen this car before. We tuned it. It had some flames and things, but it did have a decat at the time. So when we seen it last, it had a 4-to-1 manifold and a solid fab exhaust. That's what we've removed today. And we fitted the stock cat manifold at a Tegiwa 70mm. So obviously we've got to tune it because we've got to turn the flames off because we don't want to melt no brand new cat. So yeah, time to tune it and see where we go. We've got a previous figure, so this is going to be backwards, lads. So when I normally say red line as she comes in and blue line as she leaves, I do suspect those two lines will be reversed. But yeah, here we go. Let's get on with it. Let's see where we get to. Yes, it's getting cold again. It's raining outside. It's pretty miserable. But inside the dyno cell, we have a lovely warm Honda Civic EP3 TypeR. We've done some modifications to this today, but the most important thing is that it's got oil in it. And if you need oil, the place to go is worldoflubricant.co.uk. Yes, worldoflubricant.co.uk. You can use the code DYNO at the checkout and save yourself a load of money. That's right, a load of money for your Honda Civic FN2, 5W40 maybe, fully synthetic. They do all sorts of brands. They're a great team. They answer the phone and they dispatch stuff really, really quick. So save yourself some money, maybe buy some additives or some top-up oil at the same time. But go, spend your money and save your money at worldoflubricant.co.uk. The link will be somewhere in this video. not usually what we do, but, you know.
Yeah, this is completely the opposite of what we do, by the way.
We like to map things up and make them go a bit quicker.
Yeah, we like to map them, don't we? Make them a bit quicker.
So I'm a bit deflated because it had pops and bags last time we seen it. It had flames, and now it's got 20 brake horsepower less and no pops and bangs, Richard.
Yeah, basically the customer says he's bought the vehicle, the mods were already on it, and obviously it was already tuned in a K100, my favourite. And
you like K100?
I do, yeah. It was already tuned. He wanted to go back to, he doesn't want hassle with MOTs, which I get and I understand. So he wanted to go back to a stock manifold, stock cat, and a Tegiwa 70mm, because he said the, what was it? Solid fab.
Too loud.
Yeah, solid fab with the real extreme angle side exit on it. He said it was way too loud for him and his application and what he wanted to do.
But this is what he wanted. He wanted it with these mods and he wanted it tuned, and that's exactly what Richard's done. And, you know, yeah, okay, we had a before figure of like 237 and we finished on 218, but that's what we expected. It's still a tuned car. Yeah. It's still got an inlet manifold and induction kit, albeit an AEM one. So he's still going to drive it and enjoy it, but this is what he wanted, so this is what he got. Yeah,
the stock manifold and the stock cat has hurt his power, but I do understand what he's saying. I mean, he could have obviously recouped some of that if he'd have gone for a Piper manifold and Piper Sports Cat, for example. But like I say, this is what the customer wanted to do, and he said
each car on its own.
He said they're becoming worth more money. He may consider putting it back into completely stock. So that's a whole other conversation, but
yeah.
Where it is right now, it's tuned for the new modifications in which it's got.
I'll show you the graph.
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
So red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and yeah, okay, so peak figures we're down, but we are down right across the rev range. It's all about flow on these K20s, but yeah, you know, we expected that, and we finish on 218, so not bad for the mods that it's actually got. You know, 220 sort of would be great, but there you go, another one in the bag, a black EP3. If you've got an EP3, you want to talk about power mods, you want to talk about parts or servicing or maintenance or paintwork or tuning, you give us a shout. We're available on Instagram, Facebook. Be old school, pick up the phone. I'd love to hear from you. I can chat all day. So yeah, get in touch and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? Richard's gone.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.